Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to add contacts in WhatsApp Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, right after opening our WhatsApp, we'll be welcomed in the home page. Here on the home page, here on the right hand side corner below, you'll be able to see add contacts icon in a green circle. Here you'll have to tap on it. After tapping on it, here you'll be able to see various options such as new group, new contact, new community, and below that you'll be able to see all the contacts that you have on your phone that are available on WhatsApp. Here you'll have to tap on new contact. After tapping on the new contacts, here you'll have to write the name. After that, type their phone number and tap on save. As you can see, their contacts has been saved. After that, here below you'll be able to see option WhatsApp. Tap on it. And here you'll be able to see three options: message, voice call, video call. You can choose either. For now, I will be tapping on message. After that, you can send a message to this particular person on WhatsApp. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add a contact in WhatsApp Messenger. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.